My name is Delban Neushak and I'm originally from Iran, but I was brought up in Vancouver, Canada, and also studied my PhD in clinical psychology in the US. I am co-founder of Immigram School in Iran and also Coaching for Change in Canada, in Vancouver. What I do is that I do coaching for change and leadership coaching, performance coaching, because I believe that if people would realize and would acknowledge their strength and their potential skills, they would definitely know that there is a way to be empowered in life, in the workplace, and also in reality when we're facing obstacles. I do workforce planning. I do a lot of consulting and coaching for organizational development. And one of the things that I have recently started doing for the past 5 years is helping organizations with their CSR, their corporate social responsibility. What I have learned from the coaching for happiness, which I would name it Happiness Coach, which it was a wonderful experience for me. To be able to experience and to be able to recognize what is happiness and what is not is the most difficulty of every one of us in universe, I believe. But for me, the worth of attending this program was to realizing my strength